guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and clean a Mustang GT throttle body. You're going to want to start by removing the battery, remove the intake, you have your crankcase ventilation tube. You're going to have to pull this off. Now to remove the throttle body, you have two 8mm studs and two 10mm nuts you're going to have to remove. Now when you have the throttle body off, we can move on to cleaning. Now you could use carb cleaner or throttle body cleaner. This laying around, so I'm just going to use some of this. Now just give it a good rinse